Tired of dealing with sensitive skin? Discover powerful, natural remedies that will soothe and protect your skin like never before. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a healthier complexion. Stick around to unlock the secrets to flawless, glowing skin. Number 10. Jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is a natural and versatile ingredient that works wonders for sensitive skin. Its structure closely resembles the skin's natural oils, making it an excellent moisturizer that won't clog pores. This unique property helps balance oil levels without disrupting the skin's natural barrier, making it ideal for both dry and oily skin. Rich in vitamin E, vitamin B, and antioxidants, jojoba oil nourishes and protects the skin. It reduces inflammation and calms irritation, benefiting conditions like rosacea, eczema, and acne. Jojoba oil's anti-inflammatory properties soothe the redness, while its moisturizing effects provide much-needed hydration. To use, apply a few drops to clean skin and massage gently. It can be used daily as a facial moisturizer, body oil, or carrier oil for essential oils. Its lightweight formula absorbs quickly, making it suitable for both day and night use. Regular use helps restore balance and keeps the skin hydrated without feeling greasy. Number 9. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them highly beneficial for sensitive skin. The monounsaturated fatty acids help restore the skin's moisture barrier, which is often compromised in those with dry or sensitive skin. This makes avocado ideal for conditions like eczema or psoriasis, providing long-lasting hydration. Avocados are packed with vitamins A, D, and E, which support the skin's natural healing process, improve texture, reduce inflammation, and promote regeneration. They also contain lecithin, a compound that helps retain moisture and keeps the skin smooth. To use, mash half an avocado and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. It can be used on the face, hands, and body. Mixing it with honey or coconut oil enhances its hydrating effects. The natural oils in avocado leave the skin feeling nourished and smooth. Number 8. Chamomile compress. Chamomile is known for its calming properties, not only for the mind but also for the skin. Rich in flavonoids and antioxidants, chamomile has potent anti-inflammatory effects that reduce redness, swelling, and irritation. It's particularly useful for treating conditions like rosacea, eczema, and other types of skin inflammation. Chamomile's gentle properties make it safe and effective for even the most sensitive skin types. It works by calming the skin, alleviating discomfort from irritations, and helping with allergic reactions or minor rashes. The antioxidants protect the skin from environmental damage, while its cooling effect reduces the discomfort of sunburn or wineburn. To use, brew strong chamomile tea, cool it, and soak a cloth to apply it to the skin for 10 to 15 minutes. Chamomile compresses can be used daily to reduce redness. For extra benefits, mix chamomile tea with aloe vera or honey. Number 7. Green tea compress. Green tea is packed with catechins, potent antioxidants that help protect the skin from oxidative stress and free radical damage. These antioxidants also have strong anti-inflammatory properties, making green tea effective for conditions like acne, rosacea, and general irritation. Green tea contains tannins, which tighten the skin and reduce excess oil, making it beneficial for combination or oily skin by balancing oil production. The cooling effect of a green tea compress can provide immediate relief from irritation, sunburns, or rashes. To use, brew a strong cup of green tea, let it cool, and soak a cloth in it. Apply the compress to the skin for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce inflammation. For a more soothing effect, refrigerate the tea before use. The antioxidants in green tea help protect and calm the skin, preventing further damage. Number 6. Honey. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air into the skin to keep it hydrated and soft. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, honey is an ideal remedy for sensitive skin prone to irritation, rashes, or infections. Raw honey, especially Manuka honey, contains unique enzymes that promote healing and prevent infection. In addition to its healing effects, honey improves the skin's texture and elasticity, making it great for nourishing, hydrating, and protecting the skin. Honey can also help lighten hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone. To use, apply a thin layer of raw honey to the affected area and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Honey works well as a face mask, especially when combined with ingredients like yogurt or avocado for extra hydration. Number 5. Coconut oil. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture from the air into the skin to keep it hydrated and soft. Known for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, honey is an ideal remedy for sensitive skin prone to irritation, rashes, or infections. Raw honey, especially Manuka honey, contains unique enzymes that promote healing and prevent infection. In addition to its healing effects, honey improves the skin's texture and elasticity, making it great for nourishing, hydrating, and protecting the skin. Honey can also help lighten hyperpigmentation and even out skin tone. To use, apply a thin layer of raw honey to the affected area and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. Honey works well as a face mask, especially when combined with ingredients like yogurt or avocado for extra hydration. Number 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a well-known remedy for sensitive skin, offering soothing and healing properties. The gel from aloe vera contains polysaccharides, which help repair and regenerate skin tissue while acting as a potent anti-inflammatory agent to calm redness and reduce swelling. Its ability to hydrate without making the skin greasy makes it ideal for dry or irritated skin. Aloe vera is also rich in antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, which protect the skin from environmental damage and oxidative stress. These antioxidants support the skin's healing process. To use, apply fresh aloe vera gel or pure aloe vera product to the affected area, massage it in, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Aloe vera is gentle enough for multiple uses a day and can be stored in the refrigerator for a cooling effect. Number 3. Oatmeal baths. Oatmeal baths are an effective remedy for soothing sensitive skin, particularly for conditions like eczema or psoriasis. Colloidal oatmeal, finely ground oatmeal, releases beta-glucans that reduce inflammation and itching, while saponins act as mild cleansers, preserving the skin's natural oils. Oatmeal helps restore moisture, alleviates dryness, and protects against further irritation. Soaking in an oatmeal bath also promotes relaxation, offering emotional relief. To prepare, add 1 to 2 cups of colloidal oatmeal to a warm, not hot, bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Afterward, gently pat the skin dry and apply a moisturizer to lock in hydration. This remedy is gentle and effective for frequent use, especially during flare-ups of skin conditions. Number 2. Rose water. Rose water is a natural, soothing ingredient that works wonders for sensitive skin. Known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps balance the skin's pH, making it ideal for sensitive, dry, or oily skin. Rose water calms redness, irritation, and inflammation, offering relief for various skin concerns. It also provides hydration, making it an excellent addition to a skincare routine, particularly for dehydrated skin. Rose water can be used as a toner to remove impurities after cleansing or misted directly onto the skin for a refreshing effect. Apply with a cotton pad or spritz it on throughout the day for a soothing, cooling experience. Its natural fragrance adds a comforting touch to your routine. Number 1. Colloidal silver. Colloidal silver is known for its potent antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties, making it effective for treating skin conditions like infections, rashes, and cuts. The silver particles in colloidal form help fight off harmful microorganisms on the skin's surface, preventing infection in irritated or inflamed areas. However, colloidal silver should be used with caution, as excessive use can lead to argyria, a rare condition that causes a bluish-gray discoloration of the skin. For sensitive skin, it's important to apply it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional before use. To use, apply a small amount with a clean cotton ball to affected areas. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for safe application. That's all for today's video. I hope these natural remedies help you achieve healthier, more comfortable skin. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share it with others who might benefit. Make sure to subscribe for more skincare tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.